Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is an opportunity to purchase a family or guest home in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Located in one of Montego Bay's most elite neighborhoods, known as Westgate Hills, this exquisitely designed 8 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms with rooftop entertainment home spans over 4,000 square feet. It is currently used as a guest house, but can be easily converted into a multifamily accommodation. On the main floor, there is an open concept living, dining, and well appointed kitchen and breakfast area, which provides a welcoming ambiance. It has an unfinished self contained studio that can create additional income for the homeowner, plus powder room, formal dining room, kitchen, laundry, and garage. An elegant sweeping staircase make the way to 5 cozy loft suites, including master suite with private balcony, which flows to other spacious balconies on the first floor. The home provides you with lots of sunlight and natural ventilation. Located within 20 minutes drive to the Sangsters International Airport, private hospitals, and several entertainments. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.